Hey, everybody. Let's do it. It's Bitcoin cabooshed. All right, I'm here, everybody. Patrick. S&P's getting cabooshed. Silver gets down to the 79.90 to 80.50. 80.50. I probably look to buy it. This gold here. $4,700. Oh wow, gold just ripped. Silver just ripped here. Anybody get the long on silver? Does silver trade down below there? Silver did. Silver traded below there. Silver just ran $1.20. Good Lord. Gold's exploding here. Wow. Gold is exploding. Gold just ran 70. I'd short some gold here. 48.50 up to 48.50, 60, up to 80. You got to go wide. Oh my God. Look at silver. Oh my God. Wow, gold just got absolutely cabooshed, Jennifer. Silver just got cabooshed. Wow. You got the gold short? That's amazing. S&P's just dropped. Oh my God, S&P's just pushed up to 45. Another cabooshin. Wow. Again, that was a great pattern here. When you made the new low here at 47.80, the MACDs could not confirm the low. You see that? That's a great job, Jeffrey. Great job, Jennifer. Anybody new here tonight? USA Store, Colombia, Mauritius, Silver just got absolutely kabooshed as well. Right into the, oh my God, silver. Got up to 83. If the silver. If you look at silver here, these dailies are going to turn up, but make lower highs. You got a ton of overhead resistance here. I'd love to see silver get above 90 here. 10% up is what, $8? Hey Mauritius, how are you? Oh, I'm going to stay on for about an hour, hour and a half or so here. S&P's just dropped 15. NASDAQ got absolutely kabooshed into these negative MACDs here. I was too busy watching silver and gold, but when you see the 5-minute time frame here, you got the push up into this negative MACD. What a short. You can see the open was 49.38, the high was 49.47. S&P's just got absolutely kabooshed there. All right. How's everybody doing tonight? Hey, Jessica. Wow, S&P's just got slaughtered, down 20. NASDAQ just dropped about 90. Bitcoin, I think, is go. Wow, look at this Bitcoin, 75,000. Ah, I love it. I love it. Where's the IBITs? 7 Bitcoin. IBITs will be 39. The IBITs are going to like to 25. Gold's up 84. You think Papa Trump's going into Iran? I do. There's no way. There's no way there's going to be a peace deal. Not with those guys. Right? Right. Biggie, 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 can't you see? I looked to short some gold here, 47.90 up to 48.15. All right, look to buy this gold back here below 80 if you short it. Look at this. Anybody short the gold up in the pencil? You short within the pencil here on the gold. Everybody, Sage, like the stream, everybody. I'm here on a sunny night. Okay, beautiful short above 90 on the pencil into the negative MACD here. Let's go, baby. And please subscribe to my SK Trading YouTube. Got the gold, Carlo. Good job, Jeff. That's a great job. Silver had the identical same pattern, so you guys could obviously on that pattern in silver. Drops down to 78.45. I just think it's a matter of time before silver trades above 90 here. I know it's 3-second trades. These are insane, right? 3-second trades. Gold right back down. Good job, Mikey Jacques. What a bear flag. Oof. Thank you. I decided, to just come in for like an hour or two, help everybody. Hopefully, you guys can make some money here, right? I thank Aaron for doing this. Aaron was out to dinner with his wife, and he stopped everything to do this for me. So I thank Aaron. Everybody, give a big shout out to Aaron. A big shout out to Uncle Aaron. Uncle Aaron. Auntie Jen. Open the door. Let him in. What a short. So when you get a push down like that pencil move, and then you get a push up into those negative MACDs, that's a pattern. Look at this gold. Just dropped 50. Right, Hendricks? Right, Daddy? Daddy loves you. Aaron's the best. Look to buy the silver here anywhere between the 78.10 and 78.75. 70. 78.10 to 78.70 if you want to trade. Oh, I can't remember. If silver, you can probably just go anywhere 677.90 to 78.60. It just trades like lightning here, silver. Here's the silver came in at 84. It just dropped $6 on the opening. Good Lord. It's Christmas in February. What was the best one? It's Christmas in August. It's Christmas in December. Gotta get t-shirts for all these. If this gold gets down to the 47.05 to 47.25, you gotta go 20 wide. Look at this silver. Oh my God, silver. If you stopped, I'd buy it again here, silver. 77 to 77.70. Look at this silver. It's gonna pop. You're $6 from the 10 bar. Gold, a little more stable here. This silver should rally. Oh my God. Ooh la la. Silver's down on the day now. Need silver to get to 90. Scale out, raise your stops, gold, silver, if you're long. Silver just ran 50 cents. That's why, you guys are lucky trading prop. I heard that Schwab is 127,000 a contract. That's insane. Imagine trading the big ones on silver. You lose all your hair on your head. Right? Don't like to buy this gold and silver on the next push down here. Gold and silver should get one more. Silver, gold just rallied 10. What do you think silver is? Do you think anybody thinks silver will be over 100? There goes the silver right back up. Anybody long silver and gold here? There you go. Silver just ran $1. Anybody think silver will be over 100 in the next 3 months? Anybody? Anybody think silver will be up over 100 in the next 3 months? Look at the silver rally. Good Lord. Silver just ran 2 cents. Whoa. 40 Kuya, how are you? Anybody new here? Anybody new? If anybody new wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, let me know. Wow, look at the silver rally. Look at silver rally. Look at silver rally. Silver just rallied almost 3 cents, $3. Gold just rallied about 30. Oh my God, look at the silver. Anybody? Patrick O'Brien, how are you? Drago, Stoke Me, how are you? Anybody new? Text me if you want a 5-day free trial. Anybody? If silver gets up to 80, you got to go wide. Probably 80 to 80. I would look to short it. You saved me about 10 to 20K. Oh. MSTR, right? It crashed. I told you it's a piece of garbage. If this gold gets up to the 47, 65, 70, up to 90, 85, 90, I'd short it. You got to go wide. Good job. I hope you sold it for a profit. I hope you sold it for a profit. NASDAQ, S&P, we're ready for, I'm telling you, the market's going to crash. I just feel it. February, March, and April, market's going to get kabooshed. It's over 80 here. I'll be scaling into shorts into the negative MACDs. Wow, this gold. Lower your stops if you short silver above 80. My God, this silver is an animal. This silver is an animal, true animal. Look at platinum. Oh my God, platinum. Look at the silver. I shorted again here, 80.30 up to 81.30. You got 80.30 to 81, actually. Platinum down 4. God. Oh my God, silver. Right into the bear flag here. He got stopped on the silver. Oh my God, silver 81.70 to 82.50. Oh my God, you got to short this bear flag. Oh my God, silver. Silver's insane. Yeah, I know. Come on, silver drop there. All right, and I'm bullish on silver. All right, lower your stops if you're shorted silver. Gold can't get going here. Wow, silver just got cabooshed. There you go. There you go. I think silver will be up over 100 in the next 3 months. My biggest fear is that it might go to 60 or 55 first. Right, silver just got cabooshed. Jeff, you get the short in silver. That one you got stopped. The second one you should have made. Waited a little bit more. Man, gold can't get going here, man. Gold cannot get going. Higher gold prices coming throughout the week. I think you're right. The whole world is short. That's my line. 40 Kuya. That's my line, please. Silver just got cabooshed. There you go. Past the eval. Wow, look at that silver. I mean, when you see something like that, when you see these negative MACDs like this here, I mean, look at silver here. Okay, I mean, come on. Okay, I mean, look at this here. Look at silver. You push up. I got stopped here, and the second one was great. Look at this silver. 82. Just dropped $2. Up into the negative MACD. Do you see that? What a short. So if you see this pattern here, you can see the 15-minute time frame reversing to sell right here, right? Right here. And then you see the push up into the negative MACDs on the 5-minute. It's an absolute Picasso. So if you see this pattern, that was a beautiful short on silver, right? Anybody here? Happy Sunday, everybody. Beautiful. I was short this short. I was short this silver again up here, 81, 81.30, 81.25 to 82 range. When the 15 reversed to sell, it correlated with the time frame, and you got this beautiful bear flag. It put You never do. Even though you may have gotten stopped once, but the second long, you don't get stopped out twice. And if you got stopped out here once, you take the second short at drop 3. Okay? All right. Silver should drop one more time here. Lower your stops if you shorted here. Jeffrey, look at them drop. Look at them drop. Look at them drop. Look at them go to the moon. Not yet. Look at them drop. Oh, by the way, just let everybody know I went to St. Jude's Catholic Church today, and I made God my promise. I dropped a C note in the basket today. So I'm just letting everybody know, okay? So if everybody asks me, I gave there. Look at the silver drop, Mikey Jacques. Get in there. Oh my God, what a short. Jennifer, get in there. Hey, Pierre, Joseph. Hey, what are you doing? My henny poop. Anybody get the short here on silver? This is the one short, one long, two long. Oh, one short, one long, one stop, two long, one stop, good short, 3 shorts. There you go. So 2 stops out of 8 trades. S&P's one along. I'm not even looking at. Yeah, S&P's nice long. 30 and 60 minute. I do have to stay right with the good Lord. Absolutely, Jennifer. If Papa Trump goes into Iran, silver be par bid. I don't want the get back. I don't want the big guy mad at me. Are you crazy? Not happening. Nope, Henny. Come on. Nope. Come on, get back. Get back. Hey, get back. Get back. Get back. Right now. Get in there. Get over there. Oh, wow. Kaboom. Ay. All right. If the silver gets above the 82.65 up to 83, I would say 83.45, I would look to short. You got to go wide. Gold 47.93 to 48.13. I would look to short gold. You got to go 20. You got to go every 5 on gold. Every 5, Jennifer. Right? You got to go wide. Even if you go 93 up to 08. Or 96 up to 11. You got to go wide, 15. I'm telling you right now, there's no way you can trade gold with a five handle range like we used to. No way in hell. You'll get absolutely run over. Absolutely kabooshed, everybody. Absolutely kabooshed. Look at the gold drop. Anybody short the gold there? Anybody short the gold there? Silver, lower your stops. Wow, gold just got cabooshed. All right, good job. 4803, Yoder. Good job, Yoder. Now, any push down on silver, you got a triple Lindy here. Wow, my God. Gold just dropped 20. $25 here. Wow. You look here on the S&Ps when they were making new lows here. Again, I'm not really looking at the indexes tonight, just to be bluntly honest with you. But just to teach you, when the indexes made a new low here, you can see the MACDs did not confirm the low on the 60. So they ran about, they ran close to 32 here. Okay, you see the positive divergence here? You're making the new low here, right? You're making the new low, and the MACDs couldn't confirm the low. That's an absolute beautiful pattern. Look at the silver drop. Silver just got cabooshed. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold. So let me show you the strategy here, if I may, right? Okay, let me just show you the strategy here, if I may, here, right? Okay. Move this a little bit here. So let me show you this pattern here. A beautiful short. So let me show you this pattern here. The 60-minute time frame is negative here. The 30 reverses to sell right here. You can see the 30 reverses to sell. The 15 reverses to sell right here. And what do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Look at that beautiful bear flag, 48.06 on gold. Absolutely kaboosh. Look at that, 60 points in gold in literally 7 minutes right here. Oh my God, look at this gold. Oh my God. So again, the 60-minute is negative here on my indicator 4. The 30 reverses to sell right here. You can see the 30 reverses to sell. You can see the 15 reverses to sell as well right here. The 15 reverses to sell. And what do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Look at that pattern right here. 48.06 gold, absolutely kaboosh down to 47.41. That is a set strategy right here. Great job, everybody, getting that short. That is a great short right there. 48.06 to 47.41 gold on the short. Everybody understand that strategy? Everybody? It goes negative on the 60-minute. It reverses to sell on the 30-minute. Right here, again, I'll just do it again. 15-minute time frame reverses to sell right here. Now you're in what's called a negative trend. All 3 time frames are negative. And then what do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this, 48.06 on gold. Got all the way down to 47.41. That is absolutely unbelievable. 48.06 down to 47.41. The fives, and this is a monster Picasso pattern. Monster Picasso. Absolutely. When the 15 reverses to sell, it correlates with the 30 and the 60. The strategy is then you short the first bounce. Look at this monster bear flag on gold on the 5-minute. An absolute Picasso. 48.06 down to 47.41 in literally about 7-8 minutes. That is an absolute perfect strategy right there. That's an absolute Picasso. Everybody understand that pattern? Great job, Arton. Arton Arton says he's never traded in silver. Now he's trading in silver. I love it. The best, Arton. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I love it. Great job, Arton. God bless. Ah, what a move. Come on, silver. Come on, silver. Beautiful short on that gold. My God. I told you with silver, when it dropped, you got the triple Lindy, right? I told you with silver, you got the triple Lindy. So that meant that the 5 minute time frame reverses to buy here. So the push down to 79.39. Look at silver run $2.50. This is insane. Great job, Arton. Tommy Tom, how are you? Tommy Tom. Yep. Again, when you push down these MACDs, do not confirm the lows on the 60-minute time frame on the index futures. Hey, Bear Trader, how are you? All right, let's see if this silver can get to 90. Anybody know what if the SO if where would the SLVs be trading if silver was 88 or 90? Is it $1? It's $1 for every, right? It's $1. All right. I think I'm going to call it quits here in about a couple of minutes. We do have the markets opening here at 7. 5 minutes to Tokyo. Yes, sir. Hey, Bear Trader. How are you? It doesn't matter. Yoda, great job shorting the gold there. That was a great pattern. Let's see where this market's going to go here. It goes gold right back up. Hey, Zell from Finland. I'm not going to. Gold. There goes the gold right back up. Oh. Look at this gold. Now I got to get this silver. All right. NASDAQ. Why am I missing this NASDAQ and S&P? Jesus, I should have shorted them up there. Just watching this gold and silver. Nasdaq just dropped about 50. S&P's just got absolutely kabooshed here. Wow. Hmm. Are the markets moving? Yeah. Silver and gold are moving. Silver and gold are moving. Wow, look at this freaking. I'm just, look at the NASDAQ just get kabooshed. Right here, what a bear flag. 25,571. Oh my lord. Almost 90 points there. S&P's. Got to keep my eyes open on this stuff. Beautiful bear flag.
Thank you.
My mic volume is low. Oh, look at this silver. If silver is up $7, where? Unbelievable. S&P's just got kabooshed here. 52 just dropped 13. There goes silver. Anybody know where the SOVs would be if silver trades at 90.91 overnight? So let's just see where the SOVs would be. So silver would be up right now. Silver is up 5. Anybody know where SOVs would be here? Hey, Telephonics, how are you? Very quiet now. So if you look at the S&Ps on the 60-minute, I wasn't really watching them. I was more watching the gold and silver here. When they pushed down to new lows here, you can see the MACDs didn't confirm right here. That was a great long. Didn't really trade. Look at the indexes here. See if the silver and gold. Goes. The silver is a short here. 84. Wow, 84. Silver gets up to the 84.30, 85. I would look to short it. Jesus. This is bear flag setting up here. ADXs are still rising here. This is not done for a long. You got a double blue here on Nasdaq and S&P. Nasdaq just rallied here, and Q off the double blue. So the double blue here. Oh, that's natural gas. If you look here on there you go. See the Nasdaq here. This ran 40. This is the double blue, the 5 getting over, the 5 correlating with the 30 and 60. Wow, look at the gold. Oh my God. I was short gold, 84.30, 48.30 to 48.45 gold. Silver up in our range here. Wow, look at the silver. I short the gold. I just said it. 48.30 to 48.40 or 48.30, 48.40. You got to go silver. You can go the 84.35.40 range up to 85.10. You got to go wide. Oh, look at gold. My God. All right, you got bear flags here. Bear flags on gold and silver. Lindy on the S&Ps just ran nicely. Gold just exploded. Gold and silver should get one more push down here. The triple Lindy on silver was nice. If you stopped out on the gold, I'd short it again here. 55 up to 65.70. Yep, boom. There went a little further than I thought. Should have went wider on the gold, 35 to 50. I'd be short this gold and silver. Looking for a push down on the 15s. There you go. Wow. Gold just dropped 8 or 9. Nasdaq gets up to the 78 to probably 98. I looked short at S&Ps. Get up to the, I would go 51 up to 57. Yeah, Nasdaq, I'm sorry, Nasdaq, you can go like here, Nasdaq, triple Lindy. Jesus, a triple Lindy. What a triple Lindy on the Nasdaq here. Look at this, 100 up. I would short this Nasdaq right here. Look at this gold. My God. Got the gold. I re-short the gold here, 60 to 75. Silver should drop. Gold. Look how fast gold moves. Nasdaq. The cover between 70 and 85 on the Nasdaq. Yep. I was short the gold 60, 80, 48.60 to 48.75. Moto dot. Look at that. $1,000. Great job. Jesus, Lord God. Triple Lindy on the. We short the Nasdaq here again, 25,600 to 25,620. S&P's 53 and a half up to 57 and a half, 58 and a half. Silver is up 6 cents off the low. Gold and silver should get one more push down here. Nasdaq, S&P's dropping. This is the best I've seen the Nasdaq trade in a while. Nasdaq just dropped 20. Gold and silver are monster bear flags here. I think where the SLVs are going to be here. Anybody have Interactive Broker? Know where SLVs are trading? Anybody? Gold? Anybody know where SLVs are trading? Anybody? Nobody? Nobody knows? Gold should drop. Silver should drop. Anybody know where SLVs should be trading right now? Nobody knows? Silver and gold should drop here. You wait till these 15s roll over here. Silver and gold should get one more push down here. Silver is going to drop. This gold is going to drop here. Way overextended. NASDAQ dropped. S&Ps, I'd be shorting. Here goes. There they go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye gold. Bye-bye gold. I know that's where it closed, but where is it trading now? Where is it trading now? Anybody know where SLVs are trading now? Anybody? Nobody knows? Only the shadow knows. That's a huge monster long there. The whole world is kabooming. Yeah. This NASDAQ, look at this NASDAQ. I never seen the NASDAQ on a maybe once before the NASDAQ ran 100 point. Look at this on the triple Lindy here. I said the triple Lindy, 24,487 NASDAQ. This NASDAQ's got to be shorted though. 25,620 up to 40. Look at this gold. Oh my God. There goes gold drop. Look at silver drop. Wow. Gold's up 150. Silver again, I would look to short at 88 to 89 range. 88 to 88.80. Gold gets up to the 48.95 to 49.15. The whole world's kabooming. NASDAQ dropped. S&P should drop. My Hendrix is asleep. Right, boo-boo? Beautiful triple Lindy on the S&Ps. Gold just got kabooshed. Gold. I'd be shorting the gold up here. Be careful. These 15s are going to roll over. This is the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame after the 30 reversed to sell. I'd be careful being long up here in gold. I'm telling you, I'd be careful. Yes. Over 88 even. Wow, look at the silver. Look at the gold drop. Gold just dropped 30. Look at silver. Silver's dropping. Caboose. Oh my God. Look at the silver. Look at the gold. Oh my God. What a short. That's the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame. I got to leave on this note. Hey, Iceman. Kabooshing and kabooming, right, Bonita Beach? Absolutely. Oh, Jesus. Gonna do some paperwork here. NASDAQ right back up. Wow. All right, the NASDAQ's going to reverse to buy on the 15. That means you want to buy the next pullback on the 15 here, on the 5-minute. See if there's gold and silver. You took the long on the gold? Okay, 32 up to 68. That was fast. Really fast. See if there's silver. Still think the 15s are going to roll over here. And the time frames are going to roll over here. Be careful. These 15s are going to roll over. NASDAQ, I cover shorts below 13. S&Ps, look to cover S&Ps here. These 15s are going to roll up. Look to cover S&Ps 53, 56 and a half if you're short. Look at that, Moon Boy. Go get him, Moon Boy. Silver just dropped. Look at this silver drop. What a short on silver. S&Ps, NASDAQ, gold. Oh my God almighty. Anybody short silver or gold up there? That was a monster short. Monster short. All right, I think I'm going to probably leave for the night. Nobody's answering or anything. I don't know. So that was a great short off the 15. First bounce on the 15-minute time frame. Here, if you look here, you can see the 30 reversing to sell. And here's the 15. That's a monster short here on gold on the 15. Silver was a nice long there. Silver. What a short. Anybody get that short on the gold? Moomja, anybody get that short? That's an absolute Picasso. What a short on the gold. The 30-minute reverse is to sell. It correlates with the 60 and the 15, and then you take the short off the 15 on the overbought condition. Monster short there. All right, everybody. Maybe I'll give it like 5 more minutes here. Hold right back up. Still think the goals are short here. 15s are going to kaboosh them. Silver gets up to the 88 to 88.80. I'd look to short it. Okay. Stay on as long as I got some paperwork to do here. The next push up on gold is going to set up a short. Next push up. Anybody short this silver up there? Did it get up there? Oh, 92 on silver. Silver just got kabooshed again. Nasdaq, wow, this market pushing up here. It's crazy. What's up, everybody? How are you? Denny's not on tonight. I'm cleaning up my office a bit. Just trying to. So much. Over in gold when these 15s are going to roll over. Look out. Same thing with the Nasdaq and S&Ps. S&Ps push up to the 63, 68. I'd be short. Nasdaq's 25,630 up to like 50. Hope to have some news on the Traders Cafe here soon. That'll be great. I hope gold gets to sweep up. I really do. Side here. Silver and gold just completely died. Gold dropping. Gold just dropped 70 off the high off that pattern. That is a monster short. Monster short. That is a monster short. Anybody get that short there? Silver just dropped from 88. Wow, look at the gold drop. Oh my Lord. You can't miss that one. Look at that pattern. Gold just dropped $85. What a short on that gold off that 15-minute time frame. Okay? You understand that pattern? The 30-minute time frame reversed to sell. Okay? NASDAQ, if you sold 30s, lower your stop. Oh my God, gold's going to be down 100. Look at this. I said these 15-minute time frames are going to turn down. The 30 reverses to sell. It correlates with the 60 and the 15. You look to take the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame into the negative MACDs on the 30 and 60. It's over. That's a Picasso, Jennifer. Absolute Picasso. God, look at this gold. Oh my God Almighty. Anybody not for you? Look at that. Bitcoin ready to be shorted. Oh yeah, the six. Oh yeah, what a bear flag on. Oh my God, Bitcoin. What a pattern, hitman. Wow, what a short. My God. What a bear flag. Good Lord. 49.05 dropped 103 points in about I would say about 30 minutes. Unbelievable pattern on the gold. Whoo-wee! What a short on that gold. What a short. What a short. All right. All right, everybody. I think I'm going to call it quits here. I think I'm going to. See this. All right. Well, I've been here for about 2 hours. So I just want to say thank you for all of you. Okay. 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 Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. Okay. And anybody wants to join me at sktrading.live, just text me your full name and email. Let's see silver get above 90. I'll be very, very happy here. But all right, everybody. God bless you. Okay. God bless you, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. I hope tonight I thought was historic. Look at this gold drop. This gold is down 100 points. It's insane. Okay. All right. Anybody wants to give me a call, text me 914-500-7484. Have a great night, everybody. Okay. Also, please watch my podcast, my SK Trading YouTube, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I'm going home. It's 30 degrees here in Florida. I asked, oh, by the way, I did bring the good Lord the C note that I promised if gold dropped 500 and gold dropped 900. So I gave him the C note. And I want everybody to know, I'm a man of my word. Right, good Lord, thank you. Okay? All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at silver drop. Jesus. Look at silver drop. Silver just dropped 4. Gold just dropped. This is probably one of the. I told you when the 30-minute time frame reverses to sell, it correlates with the 15 and the 60. You short the bounce. Goes down 100. Are you kidding me? Goes down 120. What a monster short. Dan Murda, God bless you, brother. God bless you, Sam. Good job. All right, everybody, have a great night. Again, I'm going home with Hendrix. I'm going to go see my kids a little bit. Okay, I'm going to bed early. Have a great night. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you again, Aaron. Thank you all. Good night. And of course, God bless the United States of America. Be well, everybody.